coming out here, do some fishing in the rain. I don't know how lucky I'm gonna be, but haven't really fished in the rain much, so I'm gonna give it a shot here. Well, it's coming down. No doubt about that. It's really windy out today. Like I said, I don't know how good the audio is going to be. I might need top water, but that might not be the best for rain, because, I mean, movement everywhere probably would throw the fish off. So right now I'm throwing out a little crankbait. Get underneath this tree. It's definitely a little bit better under here, but I wouldn't like to fish this entire day underneath the tree. Things I do for some content. Oh, it's really coming down now. Okay, this is bad. This tree's helping out quite a bit though. Definitely not as bad as out there. rain was well needed though. It was raining all night. Look at how hard it's coming down now. It's crazy out here. Alright, devise the plan. Okay, I'm gonna beeline it straight that way into those really thick trees. I made it to some decent cover. Whew. My hat is stoked right now. Alright, well guys, that did not go as planned. Well, I think I'm going to post it anyway, because I just was out here in the rain for about 20 minutes, and I didn't catch anything, but hey, beggars can't be choosers.